What's up, guys? Got a lot of good stuff in this one for you. Testing out the snorkel risers on my Can-Am and the new GoPro I got, which isn't actually a GoPro, it's a DJI Action 4. Let me know what you guys think about the footage. This is pretty much the raw footage. I'm not super happy with the low light performance in the shadows, and I'm not super happy with the audio, but let me know what you think. We also had a ton of stuff in this video. Raptor, Bronco, the new Talon R4, a Talon X4 2023, high lifter, Sportsman, Rubicons, Foremans, there's all kinds of stuff. So a lot of good footage. Hope you guys enjoy. So this Raptor Bronco always blows my mind. These ruts don't look that bad, but they were really soft, and this thing just bounced and floated through everything. Never got close to getting stuck. That wheelbase on 37 is a deadly combination. It reminds me a lot of my Land Cruiser, but with more power and better suspension. Yeah! Lean! Here's a good suspension comparison for you. This is a Talon X4 2023. See how it had a little bit of bounce there? Watch what this X3 does going through here. The suspension is way softer on the X3. Yes, the wheelbase is also longer. Whole thing floats. Airbox is under right there. Snorkel pipes are still up though. So my snorkels worked really well. As you saw back there, they almost went under, but it didn't stall. Even after going in reverse idling, a Honda probably would have stalled there. So this Can-Am is doing pretty good.
What?
Bone dry.
What? You eat a sandwich? Yeah, dude.
Nice! Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this stuff, please like and subscribe. If you want more content, check out my Patreon page. There's a lot more longer full-length videos and reviews and stuff that's more niche is on the Patreon page.